Hello, I am just showing you my tree. I put it up on Thanksgiving, and as you can see, it's kind of a peacock theme, but it's also like a nature theme for me because I've got down here a lot of the like ocean things. We've got little dolphins, octopi, well, just one turtle, more fish, and then we've got our peacocks and our butterflies. I did buy some new ornaments last January, in fact. When my parents had died, I was really sad, so I went to one of the most favorite places, Bronner's, and I bought some of these ornaments, and so I'm so excited. I did something new this year, and I used these, they're the little tiny fairy lights. Let me find, here we go, here's a good example. Little tiny fairy lights, and these you can change colors, change modes. I had to use 3 of them. There's say hi to Charlie. And you can change this so it does different things. So like I can change the color. As you can see, there's 3, so I'm trying to get all 3. There we go. You gotta get kind of close up. And then you can also do different modes. If I wanted to do that. There we go. Okay. Except for that one last one. Gonna have to figure out what's going on with that. But yeah, this is my tree this year, which I love these colors. So if you have any questions, and if you like, please subscribe, like, comment. It helps us YouTubers so much. Yeah, and there's got Super Mario and Yoda dueling there. I don't know, they're fighting for the ladybug's honor. Not sure. Okay, thanks a lot.